Hey guys, it's Linh and today I'm going to do a Japanese snack review. I reactivated my video request form again recently and a lot of you guys have requested me to make more videos about food and snack in Japan. So here it is. Today's video is sponsored by Bokksu, a monthly Japanese snack box subscription service. This is the first subscription box that I have ever tried in my life, so I'm pretty excited. When you subscribe to Bokksu, a box filled with different Japanese snacks will be sent to you every month straight from Japan. The first box you receive will be the Seasons of Japan, which offers all kinds of snacks across all 4 seasons. After that, every time you'll receive a different theme box, so you'll be able to try new snacks every month. Bokksu works together with local family-owned business to make this snack, so by purchasing this, you can not only enjoy authentic Japanese snacks but also support these local makers at the same time. The box I received was the limited edition Moon Festival box and it came with a thank you letter from the founder. There's also a booklet that explains what each snack is as well as its flavor, origin and allergens. I heard depends on the month. Sometimes there will be explanation about Japanese culture and related vocabulary too. Each box is a combination of 20 to 24 Japanese snacks, candies and tea, and this is what I got this time. Today I'm going to try all of the snacks without looking at the information about them. If you're interested in getting this box, go to the description box, click the link and use my code Linh10 to get 10% off your subscription, which can save you up to $47. Before trying the snack, I made myself a cup of green tea, which also came with the box. I really like drinking green tea while eating snack because I feel like in Japan the snacks can be quite sweet sometimes, so green tea kind of helps to balance the taste more. And also if I try to eat a lot of snacks at the same time, the green tea helps to remove the taste of the previous snack so that I can eat the next snack without mixing the taste. I really like the tea because it smells really good and I feel like it's gonna go really well with the snack I'm going to try today. First, I'm going to try this one and maybe actually I'll just try every snack without a specific order. I don't really know what to expect from each snack, so I'll just try to eat it and let you know what I think about each of them. This one smells really good and I think it says Lingo Caramel, which is apple caramel, and I think it's from Aomori. So let's try. It smells really good. I can tell that it smells like apple. I actually expected it to be quite hard, but like the texture is actually really soft and I really like this one. I'm going to try this one. I'm not sure what this is, but I think it's some kind of beans. It tastes really sweet and I think it says senbei here, so it's a kind of rice cracker. Personally, I don't like this kind of snack, but I think it tastes pretty good. It's really crunchy as well. This one looks really soft. Actually, when I touch it, it feels quite soft as well. I really like soft snacks, so I think I'm gonna like this one. It says pumpkin on the package. If you look inside, you can see that it's a bit yellow here. And I think I can feel the pumpkin taste. I really like this kind of snack, so I really love this one. This one says white strawberry, and from the way it looks, I would expect it to have some kind of white round chocolate inside. But actually when I opened it, I saw like a real strawberry. I'm not sure if this is a real strawberry or not yet, so I'm gonna try it. I'm actually not sure what I'm eating. It looks like a real strawberry, but from the taste of it, I don't think it's real strawberry. It's quite hard on the outside, but like when actually you bite it off and when you chew it, it feels quite soft. It kind of melts in your mouth. I really like the taste of it. I'm just not sure what I'm eating kind of feeling. I think it's chocolate. Tastes like chocolate somehow, but I'm really not sure. It's not too sweet, so I kind of like this one. Next, I'm going to try this one. Actually, what I have tried up until now are very sweet, so I just want to try something that is not sweet. I think this is some kind of potato chips, and you can see the plum picture on it. This one is not sweet at all. It's kind of salty. It's salty but also a bit sour. I think the sour taste is not that strong. I really like this one. I can actually imagine myself buying this if I ever find it in the supermarket in the future. I'm going to try this one. Say mochang dango on it, and it's really soft. You can see from the package the white stuff. I think it's sugar, so I think this is going to be very sweet. There's no smell at all. As I said before, you can see that it's covered with a lot of sugar and it's very soft. The sugar is dropping, so I'm gonna try to eat it first. It's very sweet. It's too sweet for me because I'm not the type that really likes sweet snack. But like, it's not bad at all, I think. I'm eating this one. It's pink, so I thought it's gonna have strawberry taste, but actually it doesn't really have like any specific taste to it. The green one tastes different from the pink one. I don't know exactly the difference, but I can tell that it's not the same taste. I think if you eat this with green tea, the taste is not gonna be too sweet at all. What I'm going to try next is this one. It looks quite soft. It's so soft. It's a bit sweet, but it's also a bit salty. When you first bite it, it's really crunchy, but then right after that, it melts inside your mouth. It's quite interesting, I think. This one says pear. The way it looks is very similar to another snack that I really like from Hokkaido called Shiroi Kobito. I kind of expect that the taste is gonna be similar. I think it's chocolate in the middle of the biscuit. It's really soft, and the more I chew, the stronger the taste gets. Even if you put like this, you cannot really smell anything, but as soon as you start eating it, the smells get really strong. So I think it's a pretty good snack. I'm not sure what this is, but the package looks like lemon to me. It looks really crunchy. I think it smells a bit sour. If you look at this side, it looks like seaweed, like the one that we normally use to wrap sushi or like to eat with rice. It's sour, but after you eat for a while, you can feel the aftertaste, which is kind of sweet. I think these two are kind of similar in the way that they are both quite sour. I think this one can be quite addictive, but yeah, I like it. This one looks like taiyaki, I think. Taiyaki is like one of my most favorite Japanese snack. It has fish shape as well, and also it's very soft. This one is not soft at all. It's really crunchy. It's not too sweet, so I actually really like this one because it's so crunchy, so everything is like falling out on my hand here. So just be careful if you eat this. This one says uni on it. I think it's some kind of seafood snack. I can tell from the smell that it's gonna taste a bit salty. Yeah, it's really salty. I think it's quite similar to the one that I had earlier. They are both really crunchy, but this one is a bit more salty, and actually after I ate it for a while, I can feel like it keeps getting saltier and saltier. I don't like salty snacks that much, so this is not my favorite, but I think it's a really good one. You know, this character is called Kumamon. This bear is a character of Kumamoto. Kumamon is very famous in Japan, I think. It looks like this. It's actually very hard, I think. I think it's gonna be a bit crunchy and sticky. You can see a lot of small stuff inside, and actually like when you bite it, it kind of breaks down in your mouth. It's not too sweet, so I think I quite like this one, but like I think you'll get very thirsty if you eat this. Next, I'm going to try this one. It looks like this inside. When I see a snack that looks like this, I can tell that it tastes kind of salty, but I'm not sure if it's actually salty or not, so I'm going to try it out now. It's really salty, but then there's also some kind of other taste, and I'm not sure what it is yet. I think it tastes like the sauce that I normally use for okonomiyaki. And actually on the package, it says sosu here. So I think they actually try to make it taste like this, but like I'm not quite sure like what kind of taste they are trying to create here. I really like the package. You can see these people playing drum here and these people are dancing. It looks like a Japanese summer festival, which I haven't seen for a very long time because of Corona. But anyway, I really like the package, and the name says like Dondong Yaki here. And it kind of sounds like the sound when you hit the drum, so that looks kind of interesting. I'm going to try this one, and I think this looks like something that I'm going to like a lot. It's kind of like sponge cake and it looks very soft. It's green here, so I think it's gonna taste like green tea. It's very soft, it's very sweet but not too sweet, and I think it tastes like green tea. There's something else in it which tastes very familiar, but I really don't know what it is yet. You can see the black part in here. It tastes very familiar. I don't know what it is yet, but I definitely had this before. I think this is really my favorite, and I'll definitely buy this one if I ever see it in the supermarket. I really recommend this one. Last but not least, we have this candy. It says yuzu sake candy, so I wonder if it has a bit of sake in it, which is alcohol. I think from the package it says that it has nihonshu and some kind of alcohol in it. And because it's yuzu, so I think it's gonna be a bit sour. If I don't finish everything, I can just close it here. So I think it's quite convenient. It's sour just as I expected, but it's not too sour. And I can tell that it's a bit sweet as well. I think I really like this one as well. I think this is gonna be very good for you when you have a sore throat. On the package, it also says 0.1% alcohol, so please keep it away from children and people who are weak with alcohol. But to be honest, the alcohol is not that much, and even when I'm eating it, I don't feel the alcohol in it at all. So I've tried all the snacks, and I think these are my personal favorite. I really enjoyed this, and I also really wonder what you guys would like to try. So let me know in the comment box your top 3 favorites. That's all for today. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and share it with your friends, family, or on your social media. Subscribe for more videos about life and travel in Japan. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!